Hello, my friend. After a long, long time. Yes, it's been a long time. I'm making another video. Uh, Last few years, I bought a lot of things like mobile and other all electronic things, plus some, gadgets. But I'm not able to make a video. So today, I'm happy to share with you that finally I bought an iPad Pro. So 266 GB iPad Pro 11-inch third generation with Wi-Fi. I bought this iPad like 2 days ago. I already opened it, but just showing you. I know I didn't use it actually, so it's not. You cannot say it's unboxing, but yeah, I'm just doing another unboxing. It's already open, but still I'm just showing you. Actually, I want to buy a Apple product. It's my first Apple product, like an iPad, and it's very smooth. I just used for a while, but it's very smooth, very good, and the software, everything is good. I believe it's better than Windows. So let's open it and let's see what things we have inside. Just a moment. Yeah, here you go. Apple iPad Pro 2020-21. There is the device. So what you have inside? Same like some Apple documents and the sticker, Apple sticker. And we have one charger, one cord. That's it, nothing else. Let's turn on the device. There you go. I put some wallpaper, so it's very slim. Power button at the top. I was downloading some software, so I'm trying that. So anyways, this is